Son, we at the villa. Smoke don't know where he going. The road manager, J Money is pissed off. I'm just over here laughing and macking like how I do, drinking a hot beer. Um, so we found the John. Now we found the John. Y'all got, Free, you got a big ass bag, son. What's in there, son? What do y'all be carrying? God damn, son. Why Free so bougie? Free is bougie. Remember he left us last night? So why his phone died.
My phone died.
What that got to do with us? My phone died too. Damn, these niggas walk fast. Hold up. Oh man. Your luggage is wow, son. Your luggage is wow right now, son. Yours, nigga, that's a lot of luggage, brother. Free is bougie. Guapo don't give a fuck. Alright. We going. I'm holding this beer at the same time. And I'm sweating profusely. Alright, we in here, okay. We're gonna go this way. Bang bang. Oh, okay. Oh, this is nice. Oh, so you go from the top to the bottom with the John. Smoke is mad at everybody. Why you so mad, son? Oh, we got the slide. We're gonna have your favorite John going down this John. That's a fact though. With a Goodfella shirt on. We don't got no gate apparently. It looked like a gate. Is the scooter included? Hello. Hi. All right. Oh, we in. We in here. Oh, this is fire. This is fire. Come on, son. So why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? How you recording me recording you? First of all, you're going to have me on YouTube with a fucking pink rag on my head. What's wrong with you, man? Ooh, get out of my way, man. Excuse me. We got Caitlin over here, macking. She gonna show us around. We got the pool table. We ain't got the mansion with the pool in it. Yeah, yeah. Oh man. All right, what else is popping? All right, we got the Versace, John. These Versace free. These Versace chairs. Look, free mad as hell. Free like yo. Free like fuck this shit. All right, let me see. Oh, we got food already. Who bought us food? They bought us food. Oh yeah, it's lit. It's lit. It's not this. The food is lit. Garbage. That's garbage? Yeah. People just left. So they ain't cleaning John? They cleaning now. You filming it while it's dirty. I'm filming the dirty crib. Yeah, why don't you wait till it's clean? Yeah, exactly. I feel a certain type of way. Do we get a discount? They cleaning the shit while we arrived at the shit. Okay. Well, this is alright. I like it. We gotta get some hoes in this bitch, Spree. I'm gonna leave it up to you. This is my room. This is gonna be Guapo room right here. Cause I ain't trying to go up and down the stairs and shit. I'm not trying to be going upstairs and shit. I'm trying to slide right here. They cleaning it though. Let's give them a minute. We gonna do. This is gonna be the rough draft, and then we gonna. You know what I mean? This. You know what I mean? Look, the only reason these niggas is bullying me because I got these tight ass shorts on. Y'all wouldn't talk to me like that if it was the other way, you heard? What's wrong with y'all, son? Oh, we got the side bathroom. The side John. Okay. Okay. If I had my GoPro on me right now, I would definitely slide down the slide real quick. But I don't got it. Oh, this is a nice little pic. I like this room too. Yo, they was well in here. Hello. Okay, I like this room right here. This is really nice. Outside area. Okay, this opens. Okay, okay, okay. Look at the slide right here. Yeah, I'm taking this room. Because I want all the Johns to slide down the John into the John. Yeah, we macking. We're going to be out here getting smacked on live all night long. That's a fact, though. We macking. Okay. Here go up. All right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go around this way. And then, matter of fact, let's go this way. Yeah. Okay, I like this room. See, this is that real love making GFV kind of vibe right here. Just give me some love making GFV vibes. Ain't no bathroom in here though. We got shit at the bathroom. Oh, yeah, go to the bathroom. Okay. All right, this works. All right. Okay, I am not taking this room. I do not like it. This is corny. And yeah, son, I got the pink John on the John, son. They ain't have no white rags at the motherfucking shit. What want me to do? I like it though. All right. Yeah. Nice little Tory. This is locked. Okay. Texas Chainsaw nigga living there. Clearly. Let me see. Okay, did I come in here already? Yep, came here. Let me close this door back. Get the AC jumping. Alright, AC. Got the cleaning lady cleaning. Okay. Alright. Come on, man. Alright. Y'all wanna go explore, find some beers or something? I don't wanna pick no shit. You know, Guapo really wants his first room right here. You know, cause my first name is indeed Brede. You heard it? It's giving me king vibes right here. I want this, but my niggas ain't see all the rooms. And I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. So I want my niggas to check it all out. You know what I mean? You know? Yo, Smoke, you seen all the rooms, Smoke? Seen all the rooms?
Yeah.
For you gotta check out all the rooms and then we can decide what room we taking. Slide down. Alright, I'm taking this one then. Fuck y'all niggas. Alright, I'm taking this one then. Alright, I'm right here, free. You got 5. I don't know what y'all 2 niggas doing. Hey, Kathleen, what room you taking?
Is there another,
What room you taking? 105. Shout out to Kathleen, that's the GFB good fella, you heard? See how it translated into a god. I wasn't recording none of that. Say that again, son. My fault.
Well, these room ones is apart from the house.
Yeah.
That will probably super extracurricular activities
Yeah.
that we want to bring into the house.
Uh-huh.
It's got 2 beds, 2 double beds.
Uh-huh.
It's perfect. So if we have a sleepover, that's the one y'all can sleep in that room.
But no, what's the name of the room though? The what room?
Room number 1.
what did you say? The extracurricular?
You said something else. It rhymed with treasure. What you say? We gonna call it the
I can't remember. I just know it was room number 1. It's the pleasure room.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna end this video while we wait.
I'm about to help them.
I wanna go get some drinks.
I'm about to help them.
Alright, we about to roll up, get some drinks, and we macking, you heard? Salute to the good fellas. Yo, Freeze.
Yeah.
Say what up to these niggas.